Cholesterol. 5 homemade drinks to manage. LDL. High cholesterol is a major risk factor for cardiovascular disease, including heart attack and stroke. While there are medications that can lower cholesterol, there are also many lifestyle changes that can help, including drinking certain beverages. Here are 5 homemade drinks that may help lower cholesterol. Tomato juice. Tomatoes are a good source of lycopene, an antioxidant that has been shown to lower LDL, bad cholesterol. Tomato juice is also a good source of fiber and niacin, which can also help lower cholesterol. Green tea. Green tea contains catechins, antioxidants, that have been shown to lower LDL cholesterol and total cholesterol. Green tea may also help raise HDL, good cholesterol levels. Cranberry juice. Cranberries are rich in antioxidants, which may help raise HDL cholesterol levels. Cranberry juice may also help lower LDL cholesterol levels. Orange juice. Freshly squeezed orange juice contains hesperidin, a flavonoid that has been shown to lower cholesterol levels. Orange juice is also a good source of vitamin C, which is important for heart health. Lemon water. Drinking warm. Lemon water in the morning can be a hydrating and refreshing way to start the day. Lemon juice is a good source of vitamin C, which is important for heart health. It is important to note that these drinks are not a substitute for medication if you have high cholesterol. However, drinking them regularly may help you lower your cholesterol levels and improve your heart health.